Salsa de chile seco. Oh! Sweet and smoky taste with subtle spiciness. Start off with some dried chilies, ancho and guajillo. The other ingredients are red and green tomatoes, chile serrano, onions, and garlic. Toasting dried chilies before brings out intense aroma and flavor. Cook these until tender and the tomatoes blister and the chilies are soft. Don't forget, save the water. Use low speed when blending, adding water as needed. We add a little vinegar, salt and pepper to taste. Add fresh cilantro. Y listo. Mucho bueno.